Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So it's Boxycharm time today. I had no plans to film this video today, full disclosure. I haven't posted a video in a while. Our dog's been having some health issues. It's been a really rough couple of weeks. I did have a few videos pre-filmed. I have one more sort of in the repertoire, but Boxycharm came yesterday and I brought it to work with me today, and I just really wanted to open it up and share it with you guys. So just know that if my energy seems a little bit low, I'm having a rough week, but nothing makes us feel better like some goodies, right? And truth be told, I need the distraction. So let's dive straight in to the Boxycharm for November. The theme this month, I guess, is invite only. I don't know. The first product in the box is this product right here. So this is by the brand Glow on 5th, and it's their Refresh and Reset Brightening Mud Mask. So this is for dull, uneven skin. It's supposed to brighten your skin's natural radiance, re-energize the skin, minimize fatigue, boost circulation, help with rehydration. Use 1 to 3 times a week and enjoy the gift of instantly radiant skin. Well, you know, couldn't we all use that? So let's open it up and see what the texture is like. It does say it's a ginger mud mask, so I think we can assume it's a mud consistency, but it's also saying that it's hydrating, so that's like an interesting combination when it comes to a mud mask. It does say right on the box, cruelty-free, paraben-free, sulfate-free, phthalate-free, so we love that. I find more and more we're getting cruelty-free products in the Boxycharm, which I really appreciate. Ooh, look at that fun color. That is like a very gingery color. And it says apply to damp, clean skin and leave on for 10 to 20 minutes. So it's nicely sealed there. Oops. It smells like nothing. It really has no smell. I just wanted to see, oh yeah, it's definitely got a mud consistency, but it does have a nice, like, it's kind of slippy for a mud mask. You know, some mud masks are like, they have a very, very like clay texture that can feel very drying. So this feels very promising. I will let you guys know in a future speed reviews what I think of that one. Next up, we have our choice item. So this is the one that I chose. So this is the Tristique foundation stick. Oh, I forgot to say, the mask is valued at $30. Sorry. All over the place today. So this is also valued at $30, and it's a buildable foundation that helps protect the skin against harmful effects of blue light. It's a weightless cream-based formula, and it's supposed to offer a medium finish. Hyaluronic acid, works to promote a youthful appearance. Built-in sponge applies foundation seamlessly. I don't know, we'll see about that. I always find it so interesting. Trestique really goes in on this style of packaging. Every product I've ever gotten from Trestique has been this like crayon style. So we've got the foundation on one end, and then we've got a sponge tip applicator on the other end. Now that's nice, I guess, for like on the go application, but unlikely I would use that applicator. I would most likely just apply it to the skin and then blend it in with a brush. I just prefer a brush. So I chose the shade Cape Cod Stone, and this is for light skin with yellow undertones. I'm hoping it's not going to be too yellow, but I didn't see anything for my fair skin with a neutral undertone. That's usually what I look for. And I find if I use something with more of a pink undertone, it looks I'm more neutral, but the pink really is noticeable against like my neck and my arms. So I'm hoping this is gonna be an okay match for me. Oh, it feels very creamy, and I think that color is gonna be really good for fall and winter. It doesn't look like overly yellow. Do you find? Do you love how I talk to you guys like you're here? Do you find? Let me know in the comments. It's very creamy. It doesn't have that stiff texture that I was worried about. I was worried about it feeling more like a stick concealer. So very excited to try that out. I have not tried very many stick foundations in the past, but it intrigued me because I thought that might be a really nice option for travel, because it's not like something that's quite so messy. Like you could just toss that into your makeup bag, easy peasy. Next up, we have this product here from Seraphine Botanicals. This is their Primrose Plus Cream Lip and Cheek Cream Palette. This is valued at $42. And it says it's easy to use, buttery palette. So this is a lip and cheek cream palette, which is something I've never really tried. I'm kind of just getting into cream products. So when I saw this as one of the spoilers, I was like, ooh, I hope I get that. Love this little packaging. So cute, nice and compact. Oh, I do really like those colors. Now, I don't know if there was different variations of shades or if this was the only shade, but I do feel like those are sort of medium in terms of depth. Just gonna swatch them. So my hands are so dry. My hands are like too dry to be doing swatches on, but there's the 3 colors there. Nice pigmentation to them. They don't feel like overly oily, which I was a little bit worried about just because of the, they had like a description here where it says luscious plant oils and waxes for your lips and cheeks. I was like, ooh, I don't know if I'm gonna like that. I don't have anything on my lips, so let's take this sort of more neutral tone one. I just have lip balm on. My lips are so dry. Everything's so dry. I'm a mess. I'm a mess, you guys. I'm so sorry. Should I even be filming this today? I just don't know. I mean, if my lips weren't so dry, I think that would be really cute. I'm very excited to try that out on the cheeks and see what that formula is like. I'm excited to have a nice variety of shades for cream blushes. A lot of my cream blushes are much more pink than this, so really excited about that. Nice little item. The only other product I've tried from Seraphine Botanicals is a lip balm, and I've loved it. It's like almost gone because I've used it to death. Next up, we have this product from Bodyography. So this is their makeup brush cleanser. This is valued at $19. I actually have this in my kit, like in my makeup kit that I use on clients. I have this, I love it. I've used it many times. This is a great like spot clean for your brushes. You're not gonna use this for your deep clean. You're gonna use this when you're just trying to get the color off of a brush or you wanna sanitize your brushes in between uses. So really, really love this. I don't really need it because I do already have it. However, I'll keep the one that I have in my kit and I'll put this one in my vanity for my own use. So nice little item to get if you haven't tried this before. I think you're gonna really like it. And then last but not least, we've got another lip balm. So this is the Hey Honey Trick and Treat Berry Lip Balm with Natural Tint. I've never heard of this brand before, but I'm excited to try a lip balm. As I said, my lips are really dry. So this is valued at $23. And it says it's a berry lip balm formulated with rich emollients to repair, hydrate, and provide a beautiful tint. Oh, it's very tinted. I was not expecting that at all. Okay, okay. Well, why not try this one on too? It's very berry toned. Is this gonna be a mistake? I have no mirror in front of me. I don't think it matters. I thought it was gonna be like, based on the color of it, I was like, that's gonna be so dark and I'm gonna make a mess. It feels great. It doesn't offer like a ton of tint. It's also really not like shiny, but it feels really nice, feels really, really hydrating. I do have that other blush on underneath of it, so I definitely got like a little bit too much in one spot, but feels great. That is something that I would throw into my purse and use anytime. It's something you could wear underneath of your mask. You don't have to worry about it smearing around. Really, really love that. These are the types of lip products that I'm wearing right now. I'm really only ever wearing lipstick to film. I'm kind of filming this in the middle of my workday, so that's why I don't have any lipstick on or anything like that. I actually don't have like the makeup on that I would normally have on to film, but we just are doing whatever feels right in the moment right now. So really excited about this, surprisingly excited about that. Let me do some quick math and we'll see what the overall value was. So total value of the box is $144. Nice value. It's always over $100, but I'm really happy with everything. everything I got. I mean, I already own this, but I already know that I like it. So there's really nothing here that I'm meh about this time, which really makes me happy because the last few boxes have been very hit or miss. And I've sort of been on the fence about maybe like, you know, canceling my subscription for a little while. But you know, every time I think that, they suck me back in with a good box. So here we are. I think I got all of the things that I was sort of hoping for. I mean, all of the things. Like, I was really excited to get the foundation and the cheek palette. I was really hoping I was going to get that. So really, really happy with everything here. I'd love to hear from you guys in the comments down below. What did you get in your box? Did we get the same stuff, different stuff? What's your favorite thing in your box this month? I always love to chat with you guys in the comments down below. I appreciate you guys being patient with me right now. Haven't been terribly consistent the last couple of weeks. So just bear with me. I will be back to my regular schedule soon, I hope. So I hope you guys have a great day. Thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you haven't already, please subscribe, and I'll see you guys soon in another video. Bye.